Whether you have a pain in the neck or a pain in your back, we know that how our bodies feel affects our minds and emotions. And in our busy lives, working in front of computers especially, we sometimes really need some tools that can help us to continue our work, but at the same time, relieve the body without going to a major gym session. With some of these therapeutic yogic techniques, we can actually do some of that right where you are. So what we'll do in a workshop is we'll assess your body, we'll see how your body feels and how it behaves in different circumstances, and then we'll kind of create a plan that works for you and something that you can do throughout the day to release tension regularly in a micro habit way so that it'll be absolutely doable for you to feel better in your body throughout the day and not feel like you build up tension, so that when you go to the gym or when you go for a run, you're starting from a place that isn't already built up and tense and frustrated, and it's a lot easier to then do your longer training sessions. So join me for a therapeutic yogic workshop where we can really dive into how your body can benefit from these tools.